I know a lot of people watch my videos and think I'm wackadoodle, especially those that are watching my reels on Facebook, because a lot of those people are like friends and family. But I'm here to let you know the reason I do this is because I am making money online by posting these videos. I literally every day post 3 videos. 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Every single day, I create curiosity about what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is a side hustle. I'm a digital marketer and I promote digital products. Now, the new product I am promoting, I actually own. I purchased it because it has the master resale rights. That means I can basically do whatever I want with it. I can resell it over and over, and I get 100% of that profit. Now, that master resale certificate and that digital product cost me $497. To me, that is a no-brainer because I went through different courses and programs that cost way more than that. And what this does, it teaches you the skill on how to be a digital marketer, how to make money online, how to start a side hustle. And guys, you do not have to market the digital product itself. You can actually use it as a tool to market whatever you want, whatever you're passionate about. Maybe it's health and fitness, maybe it's mindset, maybe it's yoga, maybe you have a brick and mortar and you're just wanting to learn how to market online. But if you're like me, I am 52 years old. I do not want to recreate the wheel. So I'm like, I am going to take advantage of this digital product. I'm going to learn it. I'm going to learn the skills. I'm going to master the skills, and I'm going to turn around and resell it, teaching other people how to do the exact same thing I'm doing online. And that requires me to post these videos. So if you are looking for a way to generate $497 extra a month, because when you buy it, the only other thing you need is your software, which is free to run up to 2,000 subscribers. But after you buy it and you're reselling it, one sell, you get your investment back. And after that, everything is 100% profit. So if you make a goal to make 1 sale a month and then make 2 sales a month, and then 3, and then 4, and keep putting that on repeat and keep showing up every day, you can change your life. So if you can benefit from an extra $500, $1,000 a month, you should check out what I'm doing. I promise you, you won't regret it.